Oh, it's shooting.
Oh. Hey, we're live, people. We don't do retakes.
It's not
here.
Periscope, though. It's not live. She doesn't know what's about to happen.
What's gonna happen?
We're gonna shoot a workout video right now.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
So you ready? Okay, we're at 5 Watt. We love 5 Watt.
We love 5 Watt.
And we were just doing body redesign stuff. It's day 94, and we need a workout post for the body redesign blog.
And it's raining.
And it's raining, so why not? Okay, so ready?
Yeah.
10 push-ups right now. Oh yeah, that's it. Good, 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 good. Nice, 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 nice. Awesome, awesome. Go 10 mountain climbers on each side. Yep, 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 that's good. Go, 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 that's awesome and amazing and wonderful. People want to come in. Go 10 jump squats right now. You guys can go in, go ahead. We're just doing a workout. You want to watch us work out, right? You want to watch our workout.
Okay,
Guess
imagine
what?
I did 10.
Guess what? Right now,
What's up?
you get to do this workout right now. Are you ready?
I'm so not
Oh, you're like,
we're
okay. So
Fried chicken.
seriously, that is the workout. 10 push-ups.
Yeah.
Okay. 10 mountain
My heart's
climbers on
going.
each side, and 10 jump squats. I want you to do it 10 minutes. 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, so you set the timer for 10 minutes and you literally just push out 10 push-ups, 10 mountain climbers on each side, 10 jump squats. How many times do you have to say it before you get it?
I got it, I think.
Did you
yeah.
get it?
Wait, was it 9 or 10?
It's 10.
10.
You have to do that 3 times this week.
Okay, now it's really pouring.
You're gonna get your butt kicked. It's day 94. Wow, love you. See you tomorrow.